In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Sonnet as your writing partner. Whether you're crafting a blog post, working on an essay, or developing content for a website, Claude Sonnet can help streamline your writing process and enhance the quality of your work. Let's dive in and explore how to effectively utilize this tool by communicating your writing goals clearly. To get started with Claude Sonnet, it's crucial to describe your plan. This begins with informing Claude about what you're writing. Clearly state the nature of your project, whether it's an article, a creative story, a technical document, or any other type of writing. The specificity of this information allows Claude to tailor its suggestions and insights more accurately to meet the needs of your particular project. Next, consider your audience. Specify who you are writing for. Is your audience made up of industry professionals, everyday readers, academic scholars, or perhaps small business owners? Understanding your audience plays a significant role in shaping the content, as it influences the choice of language, level of detail, and the type of support that Claude can provide you with during the writing process. Now, it's time to think about the tone of your piece. Claude Sonnet can adjust its guidance according to the mood and style you want to convey. Whether you aim for a formal, relaxed, enthusiastic, or neutral tone, make sure to articulate this clearly. For instance, if you're writing a 1,000-word blog post for small business owners, you might request a professional yet friendly tone to engage your readers while maintaining a level of authority and trustworthiness. Equally important is indicating how long the piece should be. Specify the word count or the approximate length of your document. This helps in structuring your content and ensures that Claude can aid in hitting that target effectively, all while maintaining the quality and consistency of the story or argument you are putting forward. Let's consider an example to tie these elements together effectively. Suppose you're writing a 1,000-word blog post for small business owners. You would communicate this to Claude by saying, "I'm writing a 1,000-word blog post for small business owners. I would like the tone to be professional, but also friendly." This concise instruction set guides Claude perfectly to understand your requirements, enabling it to deliver feedback and support that align precisely with your objectives. By clearly delineating these components at the outset, you lay a strong foundation for collaboration with Claude Sonnet. This approach not only improves the quality of the suggestions and improvements Claude can offer, but also streamlines the writing process, saving you time and effort. Harnessing the power of Claude Sonnet as a writing partner is empowering, offering valuable insights and guidance throughout your writing journey. So go ahead, define your goals clearly, and let Claude enhance your experience. Thank you for watching.